Hi guys, today we are going to do a review of CA Final Direct Tax book by T.N.Manoharan and Mr. Hari. So, well, I don't think you have heard much of these great faculties if you are from northern parts of India. Well, they do not have any dedicated PR team and marketing guys to promote their product. So anyway, if you Google about these faculties, you will see they are one of the topmost faculties in the country. Not only topmost faculties, true tax consultants, topmost tax consultants in the country. So anyway, let's go to the topic. So I bought this book from Amazon and it costed me around 1000 rupees, I remember. So anyway, the MRP of the book is 1495. And by the way, while buying book, try to use the Amazon itself. Well, the reason is obvious. They provide you with the lowest prices. Don't buy from the other sites. They usually charge 50 100 rupees extra when compared to Amazon. So about this book, uh, the syllabus is covered in around 1100 pages. Yeah, 1104. And while reading this book, what I have found is that the explanation is very much good. The concepts are explained in detail with appropriate examples and accompanied with the relevant case studies. So if you are doing self-study, this book is a very good option as everything is there in one place, along with some previous year questions, previous year RTP questions, previous year examination questions with adequate examples and case studies. So if we are doing self-study, this book is a very good option. That's my sincere opinion. And there are some flaws. I will come to that later. So when checking the index, we can see that the book is divided into two, one for direct tax laws and other for international taxation. And direct tax laws is covered in 29 chapters, while international taxation is covered in 8 chapters. As you can see, previous year question papers and answers are also given, and this book is designed also for CMA students and CMA students and CS students also, so they can also use this book. And in the index it is given in detail which all portions are in common for the CS, CMA and the CS students, CMA and CS students. So anyway, the concepts are covered in a very much good manner. So if you take the topic salaries, you can see that in the introduction itself a brief outline is given, enumerating the various topics the chapter discusses, and also a suggested approach is also given, the manner in which you should approach this chapter. I find this very much unique and very much useful, especially as a person who is doing self-study and do not and I have not used any pen drive or other classroom things. So as a self-study student, I find this extremely interesting and useful because this will give you a good idea as to how to approach this chapter. So anyway, the chapter is filled with adequate examples on examples and of course brief examples and case studies are discussed wherever required, and also he have covered all the important case studies, and also there are also various tabular and graphical representations which will give you an idea or which will help you to remember. So other than that, what I think is this is a very good book, and also illustrations are given at various places. It will also help you in doing a self-study. And what I have found is one flaw I have found in this book is that if you are doing self-study, then at the time of revision you will find that the total number of questions, that is practical questions, are a bit less. So I say I would have preferred some more questions, that is just to give a little more edge. I think, in my opinion, if there were some more problems, then it would have been great. But as I said before, we have included various important previous year questions and RDB questions. So this is only my humble opinion. Anyway, and what I think is, if you download previous year question papers, suggested answers, and of course RTP from institute website, you can overcome this limitation. There is no need to buy any other book. And as the topic is covered in around 1100 pages, last revision may be a little problem. So what I say is, instead of buying another textbook for that, prepare short summary notes. Preparing short summary notes will help you very much in the last day revision. And also, it is a proven scientific fact that if you write short summary notes, it will help you very much in retaining the topic, retaining the concepts. So other than that, this book is very much good. Just download those previous year questions and you are done. Of course, you should use it. So anyway, so in my humble opinion, this is a really great book. You can buy it, use it, read it, you will get the idea. And of course, you may not hear about this faculty very much, as he is not, I think, a good marketer. Of course, I don't think he need to earn anything just from these books. He is a top tax consultant anyway. And also this book, he is publishing these books for about previous year 10-20 years. So this is not a first time he is doing this. And also, with no doubt, I will say this is a great book. This is of course a great book. So the rest is up to you. This is my humble opinion. So anyway, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up or just ignore it. So anyway, if you don't like, no problem, don't like. So that's it guys. Let's see on my next video. If you have any suggestions, just leave in the comments. Bye guys.